You just have to be very cognizant about the traffic. Because these people, like, they don't want to wait 5 minutes for the bridge. Caution, the bridge is going up. Please remain behind the gates. Thank you. Caution, Atlantic Avenue bridge spans are now lowering. Caution, the bridge is lowering. Please remain behind the gates until the gates are fully raised. We have a blind spot right here, which I always check. Because we got a restaurant over here, and sometimes these people come off the dock and try to squeeze under. You can see over this camera, you'll be able to see the dock right over. And this camera comes on and off all the time. There's something wrong with the cable that goes under the water. It comes on and off all the time. This one shoots from there over to that dock under the bridge. But you can't rely on that camera. What I do when they go down, so I can see over here, I get right over here so I can get a better view of the bouncing where the spans come together. See from over here, you can see it much better. It takes 8 seconds for that for the locks to dry. You see the lights come on. Yep.